how to message on LinkedIn without premium. So if you want to message on LinkedIn without premium, then what you need to do is, first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your LinkedIn application, or you can also go with your browser and search for LinkedIn and then go with linkedin.com. Here you need to go and log into your account. Now after logging in, you need to just simply go with your profile, which will be in the top left. From your profile, you need to go with the chat option, which will be in the top right. Simply click on it and then choose messages, or just simply tap on inbox, or go with the pencil shaped icon, which will be in the top right. And here you need to type in the name of the person's ID with whom you would like to talk, or for whom you would like to message. After searching, you'll find the ID of that person. Once you find the ID, you need to go with write a message, which will be on the bottom, and type in any message that you're comfortable with, and then go with send, which will be on the right side. And in this way, you'll be able to message on LinkedIn without premium. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.